The barbecue was great. My nightly skincare routine coming up. Let's see. We're going to start with the Riman Moisture Cleansing Oil. I'll just do 1.5 pumps. I'll rub it all over my face, even my eyes. My husband didn't say anything about my makeup, but that's normal. So I don't know if he liked it or not. And I didn't say anything either. Because I do not care. Alright. It feels so good. If you want to feel like you're getting a facial, buy this. It's amazing. And oil attracts oil, so it gets all those pores cleaned out. A little water. Just a little water in. And it turns into a milky cleanser. And y'all know what? I started this and didn't have my stuff with me. It's my towels and washcloths. So hang on. I've got one underneath, but hold on. Oh. All right, get my sleeves up. Takes all the eye makeup off. It's amazing. Oh, goodness. I was going to do my exfoliation tonight, but all that is in my other room, and I don't feel like going to get it, so it's all right. I'll just do my double cleanse with my Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. It just takes a little of this stuff and it multiplies. I like to get into those areas where oil likes to sit to do my deep cleaning. And you can put this all over your eyes as well. But I think I'm pretty good because I didn't have trouble getting that liner and mascara off. You can do it on your neck. Put a little water with it, a little lukewarm. Get it extra sudsy. Those bubbles. And then just let them dissipate. Rinse my hands. It's lovely. Lovely. While that's doing that, I like to start flossing. But I'm not going to do that on camera because that's kind of gross. So, hold on. Alright, I flossed and brushed. So now I'm just going to kind of wipe this excess off. All gently. Got bubbles up my nose, that's lovely. I'm going to do a water rinse. No, you can't really see, but you know, using lukewarm water, but in the mornings, I just like to do a cold splash because I've double cleansed already at night. And then I'll do a cold splash. Cold water, of course, will help with that, any inflammation. that you've accumulated during the night. And of course, lymphatic flushing is great too. You do this. All right, so now I'm finished with all that. So put my washcloth down here. Now we're gonna go with the toner. This is the Milky Toner. Dry my hands good. Oh, feels so good. That skin being double cleansed like this just soaks up this toner. Gets down into the deep layers of the skin. Yes. Why not? Okay. A little fan. Put a little mouthwash in while I'm letting that soak in. And now I'm ready for my moisturizing cream. Oh, so good. A lot of people use the little spatula. I feel like my hands are clean at this point, just as clean as that little spatula. So that's what I choose to do most of the time. All right, I'm gonna go in my Optic White. All right, and now I'm ready for bed. Good night, friends.